Tell me, what have you chosen?
I can't win, but I can keep you occupied while my friends...
Enough. It would appear all the time I spent on you was wasted. Heisei, once again.
No, I can't. Please, Arima.
On your feet at once. Do your job, Heisei. Kill like I do. You are my Queen K now. That is, unless you'd prefer to die again.
Wait, you're the guy who was with Rize. Why didn't she eat you? And what's with your eye?
Please, miss, you have to help me. I know you might find this hard to believe, but I'm actually human. And yet, I want to eat that. Part of me wants to shove it in my mouth, but I know I can't. Cause if I do, I won't be a human. No way! No way, no way, no way, no way! There's no way that I can ever eat another person's flesh! I can't be a ghoul! Not if this is what it's like! I've never even heard of flying, so how am I supposed to fight? Then I have to kill to eat! Stem from a lack of individual ability. I was weak. Too weak to save Ryoko. It's my fault she died. We have to stay strong. Or else I could lose everyone. Come on. My friends had Anteku. Took. Hide. I have to protect
But he's gonna kill your men. You can keep it.
Centipede! Crawling in my ears!
Got a bucket here. I want you to fill it to the brim. Son of a bitch! How many Kagami sacks does this guy have?
1,000 minus 7 is...
Taken some crazy ghouls over the years.
How do you know?
But you've got to be the craziest of them all. Bring it!
It's over. Your weapon's destroyed. The fight goes on until you have dispatched your opponent.